Right, good evening, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube. With Obededumre, you shared in some no Eddie Abramo, you have a set of stories, no. Na nyame adom ochna obete wa bonten ene ade ba ba ka di omu nyina ade akyerew eye enenumre yi ene ye kwa Asante Kotoko training grounds ene na eni abre pa ni eni abre pa because Asante Kotoko training grounds enra ensem efiri oba no na anoden na ensem ne bebre inti na I mean, I also Kaya and the the story of Kwame Poku's absence, the story of Lord Amoa's absence, the story of Emmanuel Antwi, his absence. Then some Dawson. Na who be here say Yabe Kohone. I know pay the HSN many brain to mysterious. With Jinemua Kofa, Kotoko youth team training. Nina cried by Emma Yakan Wasem. This particular channel, Sporting Kwame Poku training with the Kotoko youth team. Then I had the braille our previous editions. Let's get straight to the stories. Na yemfa die woman emfa embre wenumre. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But before I go move to the issues, they're more petty, you know. Let's talk about Insua Kakra. This weekend, Kotoko Insua Kakra against Insua. Now, on the screen is the friend home league table. The performance of clubs in their home matches. So in the Ghana Premier League so far, the best home team, the team and the Modimbo of Fiesweni, Bechem United. Okay. Followed by Heart of Lions. And out of possible 30 points, Heart of Lions near 23. Then you get Bebiani Gold Stars with 22 points from the 8 home matches. TNA, or about 8. Kotoko about 10 home matches. About 10 home matches. Into 22 points out of 10, which is 30 points. Kotoko lose 8 points from home. Defeat me, draw me. And that's the story of Kotoko home performance. Okay. And there are still other conversations that we are going to talk about on this channel. Now, Insua is part of the team that are unbeaten in their home matches. There's an attention that I'm drawing to the leaders of Asante Kotoko. This season so far, teams are losing match. Ubenya Insua 1 when you're on the screen who Bebiani Gold Stars 2 na when you Bechem United 3. These are the 3 teams are lose a game, they are unbeaten. Karela lose 3 matches, Dreams lose 3 matches, Adriana lose 3 matches Wofie, including the defeat of Sofa or Kotoko. Karela Kotoko Akwasheno, Dreams Kotoko Akwasheno. Accra Lions lose 3 matches, Vision 1 has 2 matches. Mediama lose 1, Nations lose 1. That was to Brekum Chelsea. Young Apostles lose 2, or lose 1 to Heart to Folk. And a Mediama, Legon City lose 4 matches. Unfortunately, Kotoko Intimianko some Samates lose 2, but there is in Suatremain or lose if you Bechem Brekum Chelsea lose 1, Baseka Oli Stars lose 1. That was to Mediama. Kotoko lose 2 matches with you, and then you have a Gold Stars on lose Heart of Lions lose 1. That was to Nations, and a Bechem United lose 2. This is the Ghana Premier League home league table. Inti Sremo, do not underestimate Insua Tremai ewo omufie de omoso da na di no. They have issues, but they are very, very solid. Ewo omufie matches no. Inti shene nso. Na don't underestimate them. Still talking about Insua Tremai because omo no Kotoko about this weekend. And then you rebu Insua Kakra in search of stories from Insua and what we can also say about them. Now, young Komodieno, the Aqua Pekini say the last game Insua boy against Young Apostles were away. I lose by 1-0 no. Surprisingly, Coach Efeni Yao Preko was not spotted in Nsuatreman dressing room. Pacho wutie me deɛ. Enti head coach yaw preko deɛ ɛdam anim sɛ when di team n'akyi anko wenchi to play against young apostles. Rather, na panyina yefen Andy Sanderson ono and assistant coach and a diomokoye. The news said that nim se si ane kyerɛ club efen in Nsuatreman head coach efen yaw preko yaw rush opanyini eje adwuma na to apa baabi akofa after some supporters allegedly threatened opanyini say the modern born so any and they want him out of the club. Ebe dani nsem deja ma mpanimfo ba mu ebe solve the issue no ya preko apa baby ediniti afa at the moment as head coach of Nsuatreman. Nsuatreman will be coming into this game with the assistant coach Andy Sanderson because ya preko apa baby afa. Na all the entire these young clubs no omutanya omutridim in various issues. Imagine okay Asante Kodoko Echita for storming adakwajache. It was a major news here discussing news here. Kobe 2 weeks ne gusuka wasen but Nsuatreman supporters storming coach ya preko so ma officially club Nsuatreman have not announced that they've parted ways with their head coach officially. Nsuatreman announced baby in any of their posts. But 2 weeks near coach ya preko enko training Andy Sanderson and a clubber the Nsuatreman training t issues out in Nsuatreman be and tete ho di amao live on this particular channel emunsemono pinso de ma ewa hase nti kakra from Nsuatreman no ena ɛda hɔ no ɛbɛwura mu team no mu proper na the other news so etimi aba. So don't forget say Nsuatreman the officially ɔmo pamo ɔmo assistant coach afo akwa Richard ɔno ɔmo sake no by our preko de supporters in the coin ɔmo so panyini pe baby fa yentimi no endi dwuma yentoa stories nti Nsuatre de kakra salary de na akem no so no yedi ka catch ɔmo say info ekuta yen kyerɛ sɛ Nsuatre salary no akem aduru be 3 months ama aketua no ho nsɛm no aye bebre okay time Nsuatre for ko Africa omo form ho pa na omo ntade hyem no na kama na represent Nsuatre but after Africa na enioma ntimi antentam no ase ama enioma ye basa kakra e de ama Nsuatreman but it's Kotoko they will come in with all form of aggressiveness. Inti esi emi eni da ho yentoa stories no so wo Kotoko is on top of the Ghana Premier League way na a match day 5 Kotoko be da top of a Ghana Premier League you know and edasku you know so no but don't forget say you say Kotoko asamba back to the top after a year 18 matches and now the plan is how Kotoko can stay at the top till a season you know ebekwa enti match day 5 the end the tour so na go stars ne DH that time you nyina 11-11 and say Kotoko lead the goal stars by a year 1 point. The difference is goal stars were a lot of home matches to play as compared to Kotoko. Kotoko akaya 7 home matches out of the 16 matches here bebo. That means Kotoko won 9 away games. But what in Kotoko won 9 away games. Vice versa. Club FN baby any goal stars. Almost 9 home matches and almost 7 away matches. To Kotoko 9 away matches and the goal stars boom and was 7 home matches and all 7 away matches. Until na come on radio say the target for Kotoko now should be how they can manage and pick results away matches because a key factor in deciding who wins the Ghana Premier League, especially on the side of Asante Kotoko. Nti away ni ayi no cause your away bebre pochen fie ewe yen hihye back to Adako Jache. Fair story. And now Emmanuel Antwi ba Kotoko training. Oba one kick ball, Antwi was present. But Antwi and kick ball. On the screen at the moment, Emmanuel Antwi, Daouda Saka, Albert Amwa, Lord Amwa, and Andrews in team men some of that screen. So let's start from in team. In team, you're fit or your food training and kotoko tactical aspect. I PMO adakwajachi and kanwasem. But what I can tell you is that Coach Ogum and Coach Malik Jabel are designing a new tactical duty for Abrante and Andrews in team men. Jumedia in team men do a kotoko matches nasasa against Insuatremai. You see him in a different role for Asante Koroko. Menke bi munka role cronin there and the men kanchero. But don't expect the usual intim menu just display box to box. Intim bebo baby fufro. Yes. E adia wa ye ho adwuma wo training na obebo baby fufro. Yentoa so. Next player or that screen is here. Emmanuel Antwi. Enra Antwi ba training. But I'm sorry to announce to you that Emmanuel Antwi also antimi ansamba training nibie. For 2 weeks, Antwi has been nursing an injury after Sobebo Kakra against Vision FC. And the story confirms that Emmanuel Antwi has been ruled out of Kotoko's trip to Insuatre to play against Insuatre Mine. Bia bisa akachen se obet. Ene di two just say Antwi apomuden hu nkomo ama abrantie no Kotoko Insuatre Mine game no Emmanuel Antwi embobi ne groin injury no the medical team of Asante Koroko decided say brantie fe Emmanuel Antwi mpe baabi ntena na ompe baabi ntena na ne ho nto no ansan officially watimi anya Kotoko team no ababe ura inti Antwi ne de tew me ma groin injury is the reason behind Antwi intimi training and is out of Kotoko Insuatre Mine. Next player. Elvis Che Bafo, good news is that an Elvis Che Bafo PMU our Asante Koroko training grounds. Last week or by 1 year training, this week Elvis Che Bafo has started light training. In Jene, our Asante Koroko training grounds, Che by ebe 2 minika fa park no. And ye ye din komono. They bet me a catch about Elvis Che Bafo and he say individual training or ye no bet twice why no china. Game no cost will Insuatre on Kobe. But next week he is expected to upgrade his training from individual training to joining the main team. Our major training session at Asante Koroko. So finally, Elvis Che Bafo is extremely closer to recovery. Obabe joining Asante Koroko team no. I want to share any Juma ho do ewo Kotoko team yenda eradiase. Ewo Elvis Che Bafo. Yentoa so. Maka Emmanuel Antwi Saka Dauda eda ho. Or fit. Or go back to Bono. Obesi from Mijinidi. But Lord Amwa. And about the past 2 days, Lord, I'm a nipa ho apopo. Man can't tell one I'm a boy. My boys are many of me do them. They be hey Lord, I say me. Because I did bad. But Lord, the form no oh there's here. I know shit I did bebre. And I will be share me video no me to him say info kuta me say penyina me ni din komo say Lord akotwa scan. But Osa Castle also say mami yemu nhihye because Lord will not be out. Be share me we video ni bia me confirm now. Say penyina say Lord will not be out. Ene we Kotoko teni atampowder to shiregu Lord amo aba back to Kotoko training. A full training session me say and we training to say senior and you no one mess the last 2 days of kutwa scan no. Massa. Oh, you overlapping no. Surge forward no your crosses no. And then I know ding. Opel player back when they training. will see from ball. Emma ni penny J could training grounds are. Oh the Lord amwa ebe shemune. And they were back. The Lord is back. And he was special. All right, one tea. Mon kanche fofro. Now we kanche no amfa. Lord Abba. So Lord Amwa is set to feature our kotoko ene eye timwa. Your friend I kind of saying in Swatremai, Lord ebe ye juma. Can I hear an amen? Ewa one corner. Nebi biya kosuye. Another player, Peter Aqua. Rebecca Peter, one semo chire will say, enye family asem na meka Peter a obobo makotoko. Said 2 days ni Peter enye training. Now, they are picking here said the technical team of Asante Koroko. And they take a decision say some of the players should be rested. And Peter and a Peter by. But may confirm one say Peter and your full training. I was Asante Koroko ne. Yes, Kotoko team no technical team na ma Peter and your full training. Or ye training ne kakra. What do you say? Training ne kakra. E duru baby and a technical team no. Emma Peter. Esa ko je na home ntie ne. Lord amwana yem hihye on Lord ebe ye training. Peter Aqua ye full training. But send me catch us say maybe a twem na management the technical team of Kotoko e manage e Samba Blay ene yaya no ene omo manage e Peter Aqua. Kwame Poku me to werim say nra ene ne na Kotoko youth team ene beye ababeje the leading slot our Kotoko starting 11 na nya asem ketwa. Kwame Poku beye e bai beye training. Kama ti ayem hihye na e wo ho no e fa kese na akọ e na me ye hu adwuma mia na me kọ faba esesa so amia na me ye hu adwuma e di ama wo e wo Asante Koroko hihye mu. Isaac Minta e ye din a mumu bebere e twen. Isaac Minta me man shout out keke. Dienti a me ma Isaac Minta shout out no. Kwesiada na obeti ase. Yes, kwesiada obeti ase. Me me de numere na me cancer story. But Isaac Minta me ma shout out. Well, ma the technical team reason to reason. Yeah. Ma me kwa that story. Stories ne doso. On the screen, Abrantie bi gina Coach Ogumechi wo screen so. Coach Ogumechi direct. There is a boy original Coach Ogumechi. Me try say menya Arobi e de atone so a. O hwe nchen wan say Ogumechi direct no. Nensa nifa no so na Abrantie bi gina ho. Kotoko youth team no picture na that screen so no. Unso no wapa o wa chen Jordan and Misa ni Solomon sa. Ma mnim Kotoko team de munim Jordan and Misa ona ebu ni mu wo Ogum nchen ho no. On say na chi no e na Solomon sa na ebu ni mu no. E na Jordan and Misa e na gina chi. Jordan and Misa chi no say Abrantie tintin bi gina ho a ne twin na fu kakra. A o gina Ogumechi direct o wa chen Ogum. Your friend Mohammed Ali. Or a defender. News Abani say Coach Ogum a promoted from the Kotoko youth team to join the Kotoko senior team. Mohammed Ali. Or a defender. 2 players and this week Kotoko youth team no gaining promotion to come and train with the senior team. Don't forget say Godfred Kodia e senior team no dada. Vitus Avoka e we mu dada we training. Solomon Sa e wo mu dada. And when your Abrantie friend Jordan and Misa. 2 new youth team players aba become this week. Ukwada no any ene omni Kotoko team ni training. Me tete won kakra. Baako picture anyway mu. Intimate mbebo sa keke. But Muhammad Ali na Abrantie tenten na ogina Ogumechi no. 2 days ni woni Kotoko team no aye training. And interestingly, say Coach Ogum ya ne nyoma na ni team na likely so de bebono oyi samba ana abolo free mu de no kotena bench to manage them a no ma ansu free ha ene ebeka ahafo no ho a o free baby e fan say normally e fan say reserve ebeka main team no Mohammed Ali ana coach Ogumane be share reserve ho a partner Michael Sifa ewo ho intine say yembo coach Ogumaba so kotoko youth team no me be catch say enye krokro de John a serious business. The good news is that my young players no enya a taste of kotoko training. I know ADA free about 6 and ababi urem. Don't forget Peter Akwasu Umdada. And these players have been registered to be part of a Division 3. Very soon, kotoko betimi atomo. Coach Wilson Asare, Coach Imoro Ibrahim, Coach Ogum. Media man, my assembly can pain. And him say we mon can't Coach Ogum. But he's doing a good job because Menyan and Tia from Mysterious Keke. Say Coach Ogum to me coach training, youth team training nanopa. Eko Shebi. Eko Ka Wilson Asare Imoro, Amos Frempon, Joe Bamo, Emo ye training. We are no kofie. No asabe we are training about be senior team no adwuma. Abrochire ye nyina anim. Se Pep Guardiola call Man City Academy ko sha abun se twa no picture. Now you're celebrating your border basso. We talk about how all monitor send here in case on one casa take a decision in promoting a player from the youth team to the senior team. Anything your book coach is now basso. Coach Ogum is giving the young boys an opportunity in building the foundation of Kotoko. So 6 youth team players, 8 minutes senior team near training to it boosts their confidence, and you might never know. The class of 1992, the boss Alex Ferguson and Basono. You might never know when Ogum might be building the class of 2005 for Asante Koroko. Ntiambo IMC na Baso. Omo yes, our recruitment we know. Omo maning koi. All the players have been duly registered as Asante Koroko players. And omenia komo ama Mohammed Ali ababe kaho. Menka so make it a 20-man squad. But me say ababe kan we gain promotion. E dey aba Asante Koroko. E senior team no I know di free oba. Jede e hon sem ne ma. Nti the end there were a lot of positives from Asante Koroko training. Lots of positives. Den ebi nko yie kakra. Ade ase. Den ebi nko yie kakra. Mamenye story we na men sorry so. Michael Chejamana. Na me ado mo medical team ni be late fitness test. Michael Chejamana ho before say obi to kwan Saturday or pass ya. Obeka team no ho to kwan on Saturday to join Asante Koroko against Nswatraman. Because was den positive ba. Ebi so be ba ya na nhyeda enye de. Ti de wo hono ye say medical team ni be late fitness test on Michael Chejamana. Chey entimi anwie kotoko training ne. Chey anwie. The man on your screen is Baba Yaya. And Yaya so anwie training. Yaya anwie training. And Yaya training now when you know. And the man coach a define him because he say entry ni ho. Maka say entry ni ho. The entry position no nipa enim so obon Yaya. In say Yaya so no me catch us when we training. Now me say me person me ko details. But me tete one man say a new role is being defined for Andrews in team manual. And so it can one boom. Now what's here until say Saturday me tenase. Now me ye tactical da me timi aye ho adwuma de amount. Enti Baba Yaya and Michael Chejamana ebe undergo late fitness test. Nyame admo chene numre to determine whether ombe pass no mawuramu to feature for Asante Koroko against Klaba. Even Nswatraman. For now, we Fernando Wisdom Bassi, Emmanuel Enchi, Elvis Shea Bafo, Albert Amwa, Emmanuel Korte, Solomon Kwekusa. Yes, Solo Sono, or Meki the squad. players are yedi omefa fitness test mu eye abrante fe no baba ya oni ni nua ye fe no eye Michael Che Jamana na on say Kwesi Asante asem no mebekan e wo channel yi so na me sure say I'll be unfair to mo amudi channel yachi not to talk about Kwesi Asante again. Say den na ekoso. Okay. Mamen kan sisu dia say ne Kwesi Asante ansamba kotoko training. Until last week, Kwesi etibi be training. Ma ye nyina born abaswa. In the middle of the training, ne hoko kan ma trese Kwesi elwie training no. Efiada Kwesi amba. Efiada Kwesi amba. Efiada Kwesi amba o asemo. Juada ene brada Kwesi amba. Kwada ene yawada Kwesi amba. Inti die woman no. Die woman no menka binka ho. Menya nti so picking injury. And Kwesi feature in atre match no. Kwesi so ya out. Asante korokoni in atre. Na me ado mo chene be whether Michael Che any baba ya betimi pass elite fitness test no. No ma ba ka ho. But 20-man squad ne based on training ne de dayanim. Tactical ni nyina dayanim ba yem prayer ho nka ne ne. E de be she fridge mu for da foforo. Nyame nka nyina ho. Bye bye.